Deputy Chief Minister badai pej katanat kampo yeng uba prestun tensong ula Pyntip bakajing penrungkam hakatanat Pulit kadang ya syat menta hakaba ya ka written test ru ladaban penlong bat Shen uong ba sa Pynbna no ya ka result haba juba bi kijing kili uba tensong ula penpau ba watla umdan ya kajing ken ka batikna jongki candidate kibawan banyale ya ka ni Examin Hendrai la antat baka jingken kam duna ya ka laipo hendreu hajar hadu laipo hinyau hajar ngut kinong apply. Haba jubab ya ka jing keno baka don ka jingle thok hakapor ba penlong ya ka Examin menteri kampo yeng ula pentikna ba layo ya ka jing ujor bat ba ula betha ya Director General of Police DGP ban tokit benya ya ka ni kam. Hendrai hadin bala bishar benya ya ki kai pot na baro ki jakale Examin hakeleng Khuborjylla katanat kam Samla lap satya ya kino ki kam bam hok.
What is the status of the recruitment?
Yes, the recruitment process for the written exam is completed, and now we are in the compiling stage. So hopefully very soon we'll be able to declare the result of those exams which was already held.
What is the total number of
It's quite, I don't have right now the detailed numbers, but it is not less than 37,000. Not less than 37,000.
There are some allegations about some written examinations and anomalies.
Yes, of course. Initially, some complaints reached to my table also, and then I asked DG to find out the facts, the truth, if there is any kind of unfair means done in the examination centers. But ultimately, we got all the details, and we found out that there was no such unfair means done in the examination centers throughout the state.
Coming to yesterday's follow-up meeting,